Good morning, YouTube family. So your Carolina Rollers are here supporting Humpty Dumpty Poultry Farms at the Aiken, South Carolina Farmers Market. Humpty Dumpty Poultry Farm is out of Barnwell, South Carolina. There's the contact information. So we are here this morning. We have freshly made banana pudding, homemade pound cake. We even have samples for the customers. We have your fresh eggs. We have plants. We have the tomatoes, bell pepper, your purple onion, your yellow onion, zucchini, squash, and compost. So come to the farmers market and check Humpty Dumpty Farms out. We appreciate the support.